Welcome to Inter Advice. We have undergraduate programs such as MBBS, MD, BDS, BPH, and many more. Inter Advice help all aspirants to select the proper program and proper university as per your requirement. We have the graduate programs such as MMED, MS, Residency, Physician Assistant, MPH. Inter Advice provide personalized consultancy to students and parents from more than 17 years. Our extended services such as career counseling, education loan, and post-landing assistance. We have our partnered universities in UK, USA, Curaçao, Lithuania, Georgia, and Germany. These are the few good reasons to join St. Martinus University. We provide step-by-step guidance and support to students until you fulfill your final goal. We provide step-by-step guidance from start to end. Total 4.5 years of program. In this 2.5 years basic sciences will be taught in Curaçao and 2 years of clinical rotations in our hospital in USA. We will guide you to crack USMLE exam and becoming a physician in USA. We also offer scholarships to our students such as Exceptional Academic Excellence Scholarship, SGA Member Award and Scholarships, Merit Scholarships, and Academic Excellence Scholarship. We provide overall guidance to study and practice medicine in abroad. Curaçao is Netherlands Antilles located in Caribbean Sea just 2 hours flight from Miami, USA. We have well-qualified teachers, well-established classrooms and laboratories. We use modern technology and conduct health fair to give hands-on experience to all students. We have clinical rotations facility in Pontiac General Hospital located in Michigan, USA. Our students get all clinical rotations and clinical experience under one roof and under the guidance of qualified and skilled doctors. Pontiac General Hospital is a teaching hospital, also conduct many researches and involve our students in research activities. Students are getting USA visa for completing their clinical rotations in PGH. These visas are specially issued for the purpose of clinical clerkship. Come, join with us for a delightful experience. We have many students, those graduated from St. Martinus University and practicing in USA, Canada, UK, Netherlands, and India. Every year, our 90% students successfully complete the course and selected for residency in USA and Canada. Achieve your goals, come out victorious, and brighten your career. For more details about courses, various exams, and counseling. The entry requirements for UG courses are different for different courses as displayed on the screen. Few countries requires NEET qualified student, whereas in few countries NEET qualification is not mandatory. Duration of the course also varies from country to country. We also help our students to select proper post-MBBS course in various countries. The details are displayed on the screen. Visit our website www.ieplcareer.com. Our branches are spread through Vashi, Vile Parle, Pune, Dombivli, Akola, Nerul, Bangalore, Kolkata, Kalyan, Kolhapur, Hyderabad, and United Kingdom. Our corporate office address 321 to 322 Shiv Center Building, Sector number 17 Vashi, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, 400703. Thank you.